Well, guys, we just had some heavy wind sweeping through here. We had a tornado warning, and yeah, we had stuff, big branches fall all over the place. Now it's raining. Yeah, it got nasty here. I'm gonna go around the yard here and see stuff that looks like we got. Check the roof. Branches down everywhere. Check the roof. Our roof looks okay. Leaves everywhere. Roof looks okay. Now we just got rain. Roof looks okay on a house. Okay, guys. I think we're okay. We survived this one. God bless everybody else out there.